Right, here's our problem machine. Wife's just going to start this load of towels. As you can see, it's not overloaded. There's the control panel showing you what machine it is. Okay, I'll get the wife to start the wash. Right, wife set it off. It's on super wash, warm and cold, options off, on the medium wash, and it's filling up now. And the wife tells me on a small wash it just clunk, 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 clunk. But on the super wash, it's something else, as we'll see when it gets going, which we'll show you in a bit. Okay, the wash cycle's just started, and you can hear clunk, clunk. So far, that's the clunk clunk we get when it's a small wash. It gets worse than this on the super wash. We'll see shortly. And at the moment, this is what's happening inside the machine. The drums going one way, then the other, and the agitator is doing its own thing with a clunk clunk at every direction change of the drum. Okay, here we have it. This is the noise. Don't that sound healthy? There we have an 18-month-old washing machine. Aren't we proud to own that? Look at that. Oh, that's better. It's a bit sweeter, isn't it? Oh, there it goes. I tell you what, it makes more noise than my lungs. Look at that. That's rather sweet. Oh, oh, it's rattling the springs now. Look at that. Oh, there, it's all over. It'll behave itself now. It's only in the wash cycle that it does that. Seems to do everything else exactly as it should, apart from the clothes don't get clean. So we get all that noise, waste all that water, and the clothes come out as dirty as they went in. Great fun.